In today's lesson, we're going to look at multiples. The multiples of a number are simply the values that appear in its times table. An important thing to remember is that the first multiple of any number is always that number itself. Something that's really important to remember is that the first multiple of any number is always that number itself. So, looking at part A of our examples, it asks us to list the first 5 multiples of 7. So that means we need to look at the 7 times table. The first multiple of 7 is going to be 7 itself, and then we have 14, 21, 28 and 35. They're the first 5 numbers in the 7 times table. In part B, it asks us for a specific multiple. So part B says, what is the 8th multiple of 9? Now, we could list our 9 times table until we get the 8th number, but there is a shortcut to this. Because we want the 8th multiple, we simply work out what 9 times by 8 is. 9 times 8 is 72, so I know that the 8th multiple of 9 is 72. So, in a similar fashion, part C says, what is the 100th multiple of 37? Well, if I wanted to work that out, I want 37 times by 100. That would give me 3,700, or 37 with 2 zeros on the end. So, your task for today is to complete the following worksheet. Pause the video and have a go at these questions. For each one, I want you to write down the first 5 multiples of the number given, as well as the 7th, the 10th and the 15th. Once you've done this, you can unpause the video and check your answers and correct any mistakes. Here are your answers. Please pause the video again and mark your work. If you've got any wrong, see if you can figure out why and correct your answer. Once you've finished, don't forget to take a photo of your work and submit it to Show My Homework so I can see how you've got on. If you are struggling to complete some of the work from today's lesson, then please do not hesitate to get in touch via comment on Show My Homework. I'll try to make myself as available as possible and get a reply to you as quickly as I can. If the issue requires a little bit more input from myself, I might ask to arrange a time to meet on Teams where I can give you some personalised help with that specific problem.